Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra, Modern English School, New Area. So yesterday we have already discussed that how the whole elements are divided into four blocks: S block, P block, D block, and F block element. In the bottom of the periodic table, there are two rows of each row containing 14 elements, and they belong to the F block element. Now, how to find out group and period of an element? Today we are going to discuss how to find out the group and the period of a particular element. Especially that we will talk about only the S block element and the P block element that is in our syllabus. And S and P block element are known as normal element or representative element. S and P block element are known as normal element or representative element. D block is known as transition element, and F block element is known as inner transition element. S and P block element is known as normal element or representative element. D block element is known as transition element, and F block element is known as inner transition element. Now we will find out a particular elements, their position in the periodic table by finding the group number and period number. Once again, we will discuss only for S and P block element. So let us start with the, suppose lithium. Lithium has atomic number 3. So its electronic configuration is 2, 1. Now we would like to find out where is the location of lithium in the periodic table, in which group lithium belong, in which period lithium belong. So my dear student, first of all you say how many electrons are distributed, in how many cell electrons are present for the lithium. There are 2. How many cells are present here? N. Number of cell. How many cell? 2. Number of cell in which the electron are filling. That is a 2. So number of cell gives the number of period. Number of cell gives the number of period. So it is a second period. Lithium belongs to second period. Now, number of valence electron. Valence electron is 1. Valence electron is 1. Valence electron is 1. Valence electron gives the number of group. Valence electron gives the number of group. So it belongs to the first group. So now you can say that lithium belongs to first group and second period. And as you know that in a first period there are 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. hydrogen and helium belongs to first period. First period. And lithium belongs to second period, first group. If you talk about the sodium, 11, 2, 8, 1, KLM. Here you say N is equal to how many cells are involved? In how many cells the electrons are being distributed? 3. So period is third period. Period is third period. Now you see that how many valence electrons are present? 1. Valence electron determine the group. Valence electron determine the group. Valence electron determine group. So once again, sodium also belongs to group, first group. Similarly, if you talk about the potassium, 2, 8, 8, 1, KLMN. Here you say how many cells are involved in which the electrons are being distributed. That is a N is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. So it means it belongs to fourth period. In which period? Potassium is present in the fourth period. Now valence electron 1. So group 1. Group 1 or first group. Now let us take some other example. Now let us talk about the magnesium. As you know that the magnesium has atomic number 12. So the electronic configuration is KLM. So 2, 8, 2. Now you see once again how many cells are involved? 3. How many cells are involved in which the electrons are being distributed? That is a 3. So the period is third period. Period third. So the magnesium belongs to third period. Now valence electron. Valence electron. How many valence electrons are there? Valence electron is 2. How many valence electrons are present in magnesium? 2. So it belongs to second group. Second group. Valence electron, valence electron is 2. So group equals to second group. So magnesium belongs to third period, second group. Similarly, if you talk about the calcium, 20, 2, 8, 8, 2, KLMN. Now you see that how many cells are involved in which the electrons are being distributed? 4. So N is equal to 4. So the period, fourth period. Period is fourth period. Calcium belongs to fourth period. Now valence electron is 2. Valence electron is 2. Valence electron equals to 2. So the group number equals to, group is second group. Group is second. Now let us take some other example, like in carbon 6, K2, 4. Now My dear student, one thing is you keep it in mind. First of all, okay, let me. How many cells are involved? 2. How many cells are involved? 2. So the period is second period. Carbon belongs to second period. Now valence electron. How many valence electron? 4. Now if the valence electron is 3 or more than 3, if the valence electron is 3 or more than 3, in order to find out the group, there is a need to add 10. If the valence electron is more than 2, if the valence electron is more than 2, in order to find out the group, there is a need to add 10 with the valence electron present in that particular element. So here group number equals to 10 plus 4, 14th group. So carbon belongs to 14th group. What I said, if the valence electron is more than 2, if the valence electron is more than 2, in order to find the group, there is a need to add 10. There is a need to add 10 in order to find out the group when the valence electron is more than 2. So now take the another example. Now let us see aluminium having the atomic number 13. So electronic configuration is 283. So how many cells are involved? 3. So N is equal to 3. So third period. So aluminium belongs to third period. Aluminium belongs to third period. Now number of valence electron 3. So group number is equal to 10 plus valence electron. 10 plus valence electron. It means the aluminium belongs to third period, 13th group. Once again, what I said, in order to find out the group when valence electron is more than 2, then there is a need to add 10. Why there is a need to add 10? Why not 5? Why not 6? Why not 12? Why not 20? Because in between S and P block, like aluminium, carbon, they belong to the P block element, and between S and P there is a D block element which contain 10 elements. Like if you are coming from market to the Parnavada, then you have to cross that pool over Khuri river. That bridge over Khuri river. So when you are measuring the distance, you have to take the distance of that bridge also. Similarly, between S and P block element, मार्केट में S ब्लॉक है, अपार नवादा में P ब्लॉक है, और खोरी रिवर वाला पार्ट D ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है। तो जब आप उस पार से इस पार आते हैं तो खोरी रिवर के ब्रिज को आपको लेंथ को लेना पड़ेगा, उसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा आपको डिस्टेंस में। सो सिमिलरली ये S और P के बीच में आपका D ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है, एंड दैट इज 10 नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इज 10। ये D block में 10 group है, 10 elements है. That's why there is a need to add 10. That's why we are adding 10. Okay. Now group number equals to 10 plus 3. Similarly, some other like a phosphorus 15. So 2, 8, 5. K, L, M. Here once again you see that how many cells are involved? 3. N is equal to 3. N indicate number of cells that you have studied in class 9 in the structure of atom. N number of cell. N is equal to 3. So the period is third period. Now how many valence electron are present? 5. So group equals to 10 plus 5. 15. 15th group. Sometimes question comes in a reverse way. Also, my dear student, please. Sometimes question comes an element belongs to 15th group. An element belongs to 15th group. An element belongs to 15th group. Find the number of valence electron or valency. An element X belongs to 15th group. Find the number of valence electron and find the valency. So in that case, what is need to do? 15th minus 10. That will give you the valence electron. 15th minus 10. That will give you the number of valence electron. Number of valence electron is equal to 15 group minus 10. Group minus 10. So here we have the 15th group. So valence electron is equal to 15 minus 10, that is a 5. Now in order to find valency, 8 minus 5. So this is the way that if the question comes in a reverse way, then you will be able to find out. Similarly, suppose chlorine 17. Now electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. K, L, M. So once again, number of cell 3. Period third. Now group 10 plus valence electron, 17th group. So chlorine belongs to 17th group. Now that hopefully you understood how to find out the period and the group. Now I'll give you one or two questions that you solve and show me during the online time, please. So my dear students, hopefully you understood how to find out the group and the period. Based on that I'm giving you two questions that you solve and show me between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. These two questions are there. Okay, so please honestly you solve it and show me. Thank you. Have a nice day.